up, you guys? Thanks so much for coming to see another video. I'm really excited about this look. I feel like it is something a little bit different from what I usually do. You know me, I can't step away from glitter, any form or fashion. I would literally just love to have full glitter eyes every single day. It would be amazing. That's a little obsessive, isn't it? But yeah, this look was really, honestly, not that hard to do. I thought about doing like a double cut crease, but then I was like, I kind of did that in my last video. Well, not really, but I'm probably going to do one of those soon because, you know, challenge myself. That's just what I do. Anyways, if you guys want to see how I did this look, then please keep watching. Here is the final look, you guys. What do you think? I wanted to try something different, and I feel like this is pretty different. I keep seeing people do glitter on the under eye, and I just feel like that's really neat. I'm not really excited to take it off, if you know what I mean, but I keep seeing a lot of people do that, so I'm really loving it. It really just adds that extra flair. Honestly, Glitter is enough as it is, and you could put it like literally on my entire eye and I will be so happy. But anyways, I hope you guys love this look. I am sorry I haven't been so like consistent on my days because of my move, which is happening soon. I don't even think like I have everything I need, but it's gonna be okay. It's gonna slowly all pull together and I'm not even gonna stress or worry about it. God's got me. It's gonna work out and it's gonna be amazing. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.
Disconnecting from the internet every single time, and I'm gonna go